Hello everyone, this is Aditya Madhukar, and as promised earlier, today I am here with a new video. This video is about sports. We all love sport, and today we are going to tell you that how sports is changing in India. अभी हम लोग ने देखा ओलंपिक्स. We all have seen Olympics and we have just celebrated sports. तो आज मैं आप सभी को ये बताने वाला हूँ कि how my city Bettiah is celebrating sports and how it is encouraging sports. Today I'm here with her very big news for all the Bettiahites. Today I'm going to tell you that the most famous club of India, or you can say the most famous club of football, the Premier Sporting Football Academy, is going to open in Bettiah. And this club is going to get opened in one of the best schools of Bihar, St. Xavier's High Secondary School. And today, to tell more about it, we have got a special guest. Today with me, I have got the principal of St. Xavier's High Secondary School, Bettiah, Father Richard D'Souza. And he's going to tell me that how Premier Sports Academy is going to nurture the children, how it is going to develop the sports quality, and how Xavier's is going to help all the students, and how we are going to produce next football superstar of India. So, without wasting the time, I would like to call my special guest for today's show, Father Richard D'Souza. So, here is Father Richard D'Souza. Father, welcome to our show. And today I am going to ask very simple questions. So, because today I am in my ex-school, that is St. Xavier's High Secondary School. So, Father, this is a big decision that Xavier's has taken, that the Premier Sporting Football Academy is going to open in this campus. So, in your opinion, how this PS is going to change the sporting culture in Bettiah?
A few days ago, one of our PT teachers, Mr. Naveen Utpal, came to me with a proposal. Father, why can't we start a football academy in our school? It will be catering the students of entire Bettiah. So I like that idea. I said a very good proposal. First I will discuss with the managing committee, then I will let you know what the managing committee decides. So with the great enthusiasm, I brought up this issue with the managing committee, and managing committee was very happy because we never had such kind of activities in this school apart from regular games. And when I said that it is for the entire Bettiah and the school is the host, and they felt very happy, and we should encourage that. And we have taken this new initiative in this school because we have a lot of infrastructure, and so therefore, and we have very talented coach also, one of our PT teachers, where he is very much interested in football. So what we are going to do here, first of all, we are inviting all the students of different schools to take part in this academy, where we can train them from the grassroots, so that the message will go, and gradually what happened, gradually this the academy will be known and built up. Our main aim is to prepare the students, because the students are very much talented, and by and large, when you see, the sports activities are very limited in Bettiah, and most of the schools also there is no sports in Bettiah. So we thought that it will be a nice initiative, very good initiative for the students and for our school also, where we can start this academy and train the students, so that the students can dream for bigger events like district level, state level, national level, why not international level. So we can train them, and we are capable of doing that, and students we have also resources, and also we have the potential, and I am sure this academy will really bring a change in Bettiah, and one day Bettiah will be known in the international level.
That's a very good thing, Father. And I've also got the news that this PSFA has told that the rule of this PSFA is that it want children, that young talent to come up and to give its potential and become better. So my question to you is that, do you believe that the identification and nurturing of talent in very young age is the most important part of sports?
Yes, I do believe, because when they are very young, they are full of life, full of enthusiasm, full of interest in all sorts of activities. and it is easy to nurture when they are very young, very easy to train, give them the skill, give them the whatever they require for the games. It is easy to train them. When they are young, they learn very fast than when they become old.
I agree with you, Father, and I also believe that the next superstar of football, or you can say the next international captain, or you can say the Indian captain,
Yes,
can come from our school only.
Why not?
And because
It's impossible.
yes, Father, and Xavier's has always been a sports-loving school.
Yes.
I myself was also indulged in sports, and I also know that you are also a very good athlete, a very good basketball player, and even you used to play football.
Yeah.
So your interest in football has been from your childhood only.
Yes.
So, and that's why when you became the principal of Xavier's, you have started and taking the initiative for all the sports person.
See, St. Xavier does not believe in does not limit all these activities only to the bookish knowledge. We believe in overall development of the students, and for the overall development of the students, one of the activities is the sports.
Definitely, Father. And because the news is that on 2nd of September, the PSFA is going to have a trial.
Yeah.
It is going to select the students from the trial because we want some young talents so that we can nurture it, we can develop it, and then definitely they will become a you can say national superstar or international superstar. Father, there is a very famous phrase in Hindi that people used to say that पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब and खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब. So do you believe in this statement, or
No,
do you have some
the-
other
the
opinions
very
about it?
statement itself kind of what is this disappointing. Very
Yes.
statement itself is disappointing. No, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब.
Correct.
That is the way we perceive things. The way we perceive things. So our mentality is that खेल के क्या होगा, है ना?
Yes, yes.
खेल के क्या होगा, टाइम बर्बाद होगा. But we fail to identify the talents of the young, the students. Some may be very good in studies, some may be other activities. We always focus only one area, where academic, but we fail to see other talents of the students, like singing, sports. So each person has his own talents, his own abilities, his own potentials. So that statement doesn't fit here. I don't agree with that. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, fine. खेलोगे कूदोगे भी उससे बड़ा बनोगे और महान बनोगे.
Definitely,
Yes,
Father.
yes.
And the last question is that I think Xavier is very fortunate. Even I was also very fortunate because we have got a national referee and a national coach training the sports person in St. Xavier's. We have got Naveen Utpal sir. So would you like to say a few things about him? That how do I just want you to enlighten about his coaching skills, about as a coach how he is, because you are the principal of the school, you know him better. So any message about him?
So he is a very enthusiastic man. He is full of life and full of energy. He wants the things to go, and this is an initiative from him. I never thought of this because I'm also new to Bethia, but this having a football academy, that too in our school. He would have chosen any other school. There was no school places are there, but he felt that when we start something new which is benefiting for the larger people, the area or students, why don't we have in our schools when we have all this infrastructure? That initiative had come from him. That means it shows that how enthusiastic he is and how interested he is. And secondly, he is very much committed.
Exactly, Father. Father, as the principal of St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, because in this academy, a student of any school can participate. So, I would like to, ask to you that please give a message to the principal of every schools of Bethia that they should send their children to the school so that they can develop their, sporting skills, and they can also develop their mentality for the sports. So, any special
my
message
to all the schools, and especially the principals who had the heads of the institutions, they should encourage the students to take maximum part in the sports activities. Now the football academy is here, and you need not to go far away to find the academy. Since academy has come here, I would request the principals to identify the young talents, and enroll them here. And it is our duty to nurture them, to train them, to motivate them, and to prepare them as players for the district, state, national, why not international level. So I would request all the heads of the institutions to identify the talents, young minds, encourage them to take part in this academy so that their dreams will be fulfilled and the Bethia names also will be shining one day.
Thank you so much, Father, for your special time, I will say, because it's great that because you are also new to Bethia and you are thinking so much about Bethia, you are developing the skills, developing the talents of Bethia, you're going to identify the talents, you're going to nurture it, and it has been my pleasure to talk to you, to get your special time. And at last I would like to request you to say the slogan, which is the slogan of this PSFA is your dream is a trial away. So that is the slogan I would like to say you in front of the camera.
Your dream is trial away.
Definitely. So today he was my special guest, the principal of St. Xavier's High Secondary School, Bethia, Father Richard D'Souza. Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you
for giving
Aditya. Thank you, Aditya, for giving me this opportunity, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Father.
I'm sure this academy will one day bring name to
Definitely, Father.
the country.
Yes.
Thank you so
That's
much.
my pleasure. Thank you so much, Father. Thank you.
Thank you.